Greetings friends, the turbine's running in about 10-mile-an-hour winds, but I wanted to show you I've finally managed to replace the dump bucket. I've got the solar panel connected as well. That's why probably 80 watt of that is the solar panel, so that's why the dump load is being activated. It probably wouldn't if it was just the wind on its own. But I've replaced the awful plastic bucket with this large stainless steel saucepan, like a stove cooking pot. Just going to wait, see if we get some sparks. Hang on, we're just going to wait for the dump load to... Oh, there you go. It's just to show you. So that's good. One thing I do have to watch is that these jump leads don't both end up sliding down and making contact with the metal on the outside. But that is going to be so much better than the other plastic bucket, which is there. It's not making... slightly weird Mickey Mouse, but yeah, that one got melted. And it's amazing how hot it does get when the wind is really blaring. On Sunday it's supposed to be 40-mile-an-hour wind for hours. It's about 8 or 10 today. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. The idea of getting a stainless steel pot is that ideally there'd be nothing stopping me if I wanted to put in this in a larger steel pot with water in to heat water. Then we're taking care of all the excess energy, no problem, and then we could also heat water at the same time. But that is something you may see at the weekend. So yeah, bye for now.